The murder case against one of the two teens accused of killing Caleb Quick in a high-profile Clovis shooting is inching closer to a high-stakes hearing.
Action News reporter Gabe Ferris has been tracking the case since the teen's arrest. He joins us now live from the Juvenile Justice Center with the update you'll see only on Action News. Gabe.
Dale and Grace, a judge still has to rule on whether or not this case can be transferred to adult court, and now attorneys on both sides are gearing up to schedule that hearing for early next year.
The alleged getaway driver in the high-profile killing of Caleb Quick back in court Monday. The teen girl wearing an orange sweater and blue pants in the courtroom closed to cameras. In the front row behind her, her mother, father, stepfather, and grandfather. She never looked at them, instead focusing ahead as her attorneys requested a delay.
There's some additional discovery the prosecution will be providing. Defense
attorney Jeff Hammerschmidt now combing through phone records. His client, who Action News is not naming because she's a juvenile, charged with murder, accused of killing Caleb Quick at a Clovis McDonald's in April. Investigators believe her boyfriend shot Quick and then sped off in this white Tesla with the girl behind the wheel.
There's nothing in any of the phone records that we see that shows that the two of them were conspiring to kill her friend.
The victim's father feels the evidence tells a different story.
Were they planning this?
Oh, absolutely. They wouldn't both be charged for the same crime. Like, if she was just a random person on the street that he didn't know.
Steve Quick telling us he's been piecing together the crime himself.
I've gone to the church where they all used to go. Got into the McDonald's, I've sat in there, I looked at all the cameras, I've talked to a lot of the kids that knew him.
Prosecutors are now pursuing a transfer hearing to move the case to adult court, where a murder conviction could bring a life prison sentence. Attorneys plan to schedule that hearing on December 9th, estimating it could begin in February.
Do you think there's any chance of this case resolving for your client without going to a trial?
Yes, there's a possibility of that.
Are conversations underway?
Not yet.
With the court process playing out, the girl and her one-time boyfriend are set to remain in juvenile hall, where we've now learned they can see each other through windows but cannot communicate.
They're getting a due process that my son didn't get, and that's not fair, but, luckily we live in a civil society where, if they did something like this, we got to go through the channels, and I believe in that very much so.
And Steve Quick there vowing to attend all future court dates for both of the juvenile suspects, but telling us he is not holding his breath for that December 9th court date. Reporting live in Fresno County, Gabe Ferris, ABC 30 Action News.